Manipur after President's rule, stability or fragility? Manipur has a new government. After nearly a year of President's rule, a fresh ministry has been formed. But is the crisis over? Let's rewind. Violence between Meitei and Kuki communities began in May 2023. The trigger was the demand for scheduled tribe status by the Meitei community. Article 356 was imposed and President's rule followed. Now governance has been restored. But security operations continue. Illegal weapons are being seized. Separate administration demands persist. This is not just a law and order issue, it is a federalism test case. From UPSC perspective, prelims can ask about Article 356 and conditions for President's rule. In GS2, center-state relations and governor's role. In GS3, internal security and ethnic conflict management. The deeper issue is identity politics versus constitutional accommodation. How do you balance tribal rights, territorial integrity, and political representation? UPSC may ask, discuss the challenges of managing ethnic conflicts in a federal democracy. Manipur is not an isolated incident. It reflects fragile border states, ethnic demography, migration issues, and arms proliferation. Internal stability is foundational to development. Without peace, there is no governance. That is why this topic is structurally important for your preparation.